Hey friends, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm taking you along for a super fun day at Canada's Wonderland, the ultimate spot for thrill seekers and family fun right here in Ontario. From the moment you walk in, you can feel the excitement in the air. The sound of roller coasters, laughter, and that sweet smell of cotton candy calling your name. We started with some epic rides, the Leviathan, Behemoth, and Yukon Striker. Trust me, these are not for the faint of heart. This is F. Sheen, and you are watching Lifestyle by Sheens. Yes, if you would like to explore more in Canada or outside Canada, do not forget to click on notification bell and subscribe and keep watching my videos. Thank you so much.
From the top of the toy walls.
The rush, the speed, the wind in your face, it's just pure adrenaline. But Canada's Wonderland isn't just about thrills. There is something for everyone. From water rides and kids' areas to delicious food stalls, and of course, the classic funnel cakes you must try.
I think you're right, Linus. Would you all like to be invited to our block party?
Well, I'd like to invite my best friend Snoopy. Snoopy! Snoopy! Snoopy? Where is Snoopy?
Looks like we'll have to start without it. Here we go! All right, follow our dance moves, everyone! Let's go! Ooh, girl, you're shining. I can feel that new diamond. And they make you like we used to. You're never going outside. Ooh, pretty baby. This world might have gone crazy. The way you say me, who can blame me? When I just wanna make you smile. I wanna get to
les enfants, c'est toujours défoncé par ce moment.
And that's a wrap on our amazing day here at Canada's Wonderland. From the heart pounding rides to the sweet little moments in between, it's been a day packed with fun, laughter, and memories that I will cherish forever. If you have never been, I hope this vlog inspires you to grab your friends or family and experience it for yourself. Because life is too short not to scream your heart out on a roller coaster once in a while. Thank you so much for tagging along with me today, and until next time, stay happy, keep exploring, and I will see you in my next vlog.